Boy, that old thing there, that homemade Cadillac engine, she's pointy. And she don't give none, that's for sure.
This luxurious lime green LaTeDa can be yours for only $49.95.95. Welcome to RCindustry.
I don't know, guys. She's a cold outside. Yeesh.
Ford Radiator Repair. We must repair that radiator for your safety.
Well, hey, it's Rick here, and it's a cold one this morning. She's about 8 degrees outside. Oh, look who's here. Eric showed up. Oh, gosh. Well, I think what we're going to do, because it's cold out, we don't need to be scratching the paint on the LTD. We need to get in here and get the...
Yeah, this one here looks fresh.
Yeah, that one's running a little bit there, ain't it? Well, the birds just love pooping on this thing. Let's see here. Oh, God. It throws down. There we go. If you remember, we got this radiator. So we're going to take this one in the shop because it's got a... In the shop. How about the garage? It's got a fan bolted to it here. I want to take that off, and because we got our own fan to put on there. This one's supposed to be good, so I thought we'd flush out the return or the cooling part for the transmission, and then we'll swap that thing out, and we'll take the one that's in this over to the radiator shop and get it fixed. All right, show you more. I think we can get this put up here on the bench. Yeah, I just want to take this off, and then we're going to blow some air through here, try to capture anything that's in that. Whew. Well, at least you don't see your breath out here, but it's not much warmer than that. Whew. All right. Well, that's handy. We just had this thing fixed. I guess it's going to make it now. I've got to get the key. She froze up on me.
Really? And it only helped.
There we go. Well, I think I turned it the wrong way that time. There. Goodness gracious. It's got branches and stuff. Hope don't break this windshield out, man. You can't buy none of them. I'm gonna have to build another one. Whew. All right, well, basically what we're gonna do is drain this radiator out, get it draining, and then we're gonna go back inside and take that other radiator apart and get it cleaned up and ready to go in here. So, all right, I'll show you more. Okay, well, we got that draining. Whew, let's shut this door and work on the radiator. All right, show you more.
Ford Radiator Repair. We must repair that radiator for your safety.
Well, let's get let's see here. I'm not sure how this hooks or unhooks off of there. It should have some, yeah, these little doodads here. I don't know. They kind of push in there like a zip tie and tighten down, but there's one of them. Okay, we'll just cut them off. I think that'll, yeah, so that'll pull that out of there. All right, let's just set it back down. Whew. So there's one of them. There's two of them. Yeah, no. I needed something a little thinner, but don't have that. Let me get the air hose for the. Yeah, I've got a brand new one of these up in the box up there that I took those last year to the nonamenationals, so they'd be sure to have one in case the one we had went bad. That. That's stuff through there. The old boy said it didn't leak, so we'll see. And it's off of a 70, I think it's off of a 75. So I don't even know if it'll work. It's definitely got a different doogie whopper here. That one right there's plastic. Blow some air, because I'm not sure if it had, what kind of fluid was going through there. Dust. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in it. Well, I think basically, while that radiator out there is draining, let's go ahead and rebuild this one. Just like all them other people do on the YouTube. Make it just like brand used here, baby. Making the Ford Radiator new. Yeah, you want to hold there. Oh yeah, this is just gonna look just like brand used here. We don't do anything new around here. Just brand used. In case you hadn't noticed. This is not a high performance channel. This is just a channel about making do. Well, let's see if we can get these transmission lines broke loose a little bit here. Break off, baby. Okay, so it's wanting to bring the whole thing. That's handy. The Jack Daniels bottle's in the way here. Okay, that one came loose. That's good. Oh, that's tight, I'll tell you that. Okay, let's see if we can get this one. This one, she's not wanting to come. It's trying to bring the whole thing out of there. Let me go get a wrench for that. Show you more. See, that's not the right size. That's a 7/16. Here's a half. Yeah, that'll go on there. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, I think it moved. There. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so we got to take this off. And I thought we'd just kind of get this back up out of the way, but maybe we should take this off first. Oh, reckon it's this cold in Sikeston?
Probably.
Hey, the track changed its name, ownership down there. It's not Jeffers Speedway anymore.
Oh, yeah?
Forget what it's called now. I'll have to go look at it. Shelby or something. I don't know. Shelby Family Raceway. I don't. That ain't right. It's something like that. Okay, well, we're gonna have to get some bungee cords and tie that up out of the way. Same way with this. Let me snip that off of here. Zip ties. Oh yeah, them guys. Oh, that'll never work. That thing will fall off there. Well, we've been driving it for a year that way, and it ain't fell off yet. Okay. Do think it is zip tied down here, if I remember right. Let me get down there and see if I can see those. Man, those are tight. I had to make these little rubber pieces in here because there wasn't any when I bought the car. Okay, so there's that piece off of there. Just put that over here. I'm going to put this pan under there to catch that transmission fluid. Because it's locked with the grip, I don't want it to get in my antifreeze. Let's see if we can get these lines off here. Stay up there now. Be friendly. Take them things off. Oops. Boy, that old thing there, that homemade Cadillac engine, she's pointy. And she don't give none, that's for sure. Okay, oh, we better take this off here. Okay. Now. Whew. All right. Let's go change out these ends and we'll put this new used radiator back in. Show you more. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.